What is nostalgia? Is it just fondly remembering the past?
Watching TV shows you loved as a kid.
Playing old games? And at what point does it become too much? I mean, everyone indulges from time to time. My mom watches Turner Classic Movies. My dad watches Star Trek and MASH. What if you're nostalgic for a time you never lived through? Is that too much? Or is it too much when you use it as an escape? When you let yourself put on those rose-tinted glasses and start to think that back then was any different than right now? Or when you use nostalgia as a blanket to crawl under and hide from so-called modern problems and bury yourself in low-poly worlds on magnetic tape? But then that's not nostalgia. That's fear. Fear that the current moment won't be something to remember fondly. But why live like that? Why not live in the present? So that at the very least, 30 years down the road, you'll be just as nostalgic for now as you are for yesteryear.